Superposition, embracing infinite potential. Concept, particles exist in multiple states until observed. In the realm of quantum physics, the principle of superposition states that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is measured or observed. This concept, which forms the foundation of quantum mechanics, challenges our classical understanding of reality. In contrast to the deterministic nature of Newtonian physics, quantum mechanics suggests that outcomes are probabilistic and that reality collapses into a definite state only upon observation. To illustrate, consider Schrödinger's famous thought experiment involving a cat placed in a box with a mechanism that has a 50% chance of releasing poison. According to quantum mechanics, until the box is opened, the cat exists in a superposition of states, both alive and dead. It is the act of observation that forces the cat into one of the definite states. When applied to human potential, this principle suggests that we are not confined to a singular identity or a predetermined path. Instead, we exist in a state of multiple possibilities, each awaiting realization depending on where we direct our focus and intention. Application: you're not bound to a single identity or path. Embrace adaptability and creativity. In the classical worldview, people are often encouraged to choose a single career, identity, or life path early on and to follow it rigidly. This perspective, however, does not account for the limitless possibilities inherent in human potential. Superposition reminds us that we are dynamic beings capable of embodying multiple versions of ourselves at different times and under different conditions. Breaking free from a fixed identity. Society often imposes rigid labels that dictate who we are and what we can achieve. Whether it be doctor, artist, entrepreneur, or parent, these roles can confine us within a narrow self-perception. Recognizing that we are always in superposition allows us to break free from these limitations and explore different facets of our personality and skills. For instance, a person who identifies solely as a scientist may discover a passion for painting and storytelling. Instead of resisting this duality, embracing both aspects leads to a richer and more fulfilling life. The key is to accept that we are not singular entities but complex beings with infinite potential. The power of choice and observation. Since superposition states that a particle exists in multiple states until observed, it implies that reality is shaped by where we place our attention. This insight is crucial for personal transformation. If you focus on limitations, you reinforce their existence. However, if you focus on growth, possibility, and expansion, you begin to manifest those realities. By consciously directing your thoughts, beliefs, and actions toward desired outcomes, you can collapse the quantum wave of potential into a tangible reality that aligns with your aspirations. Exercise: visualizing alternate versions of your life and manifesting one. To harness the power of superposition in personal growth, try this visualization exercise. This will help you explore different versions of yourself and take actionable steps toward actualizing the most desired one. Step 1. Imagine 3 alternate versions of your life. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Picture yourself in 3 alternate realities, each representing a different path you could take. Consider the following questions. Who are you in each of these versions? What does your daily life look like?